how does this thing work again? Accelerate? No. Damn. Like that. I see, I remember. So, hey guys, it's Big Ben Motor Vlogs here. How is everybody doing? I know it's me. Holy Christ, it's me. A month later, back on track, trying to. But I don't know if you can hear me over this exhaust. It's really loud. Really, really loud. No, I'm joking. Sorry, it's a stock exhaust. Yeah, so maybe for the observant of you going, why does this video sound so quiet? It sounds so quiet because, yes, the stock exhaust is back on. Now, the only time that you hear this bike with a stock exhaust is my first video that I put up, the MT-09. But yeah, it's back on. But that's because, I don't know, I found that really obnoxious, and I just want something really that was a bit touch quieter, you know, or a bit more refined, because that exhaust was just really like, ah. Now the Acura was nice, I quite like the Acura, but I wish really that I could have that Acura back, or I may go for the Carbon instead, or possibly even the Lex-Tech, because they seem to be half decent exhaust at the moment, looking online. Good quality as well. So I'll see. But at the moment, stock exhaust is back on. I'm actually quite liking a little bit of the quietness. It's nice. Because I haven't really... obviously this is a triple engine, so you don't really get to hear the triple engine much with a big exhaust on. Or the loud exhaust, not a big one. Put a small exhaust on and then you hear it. No, yeah, but with a loud exhaust you really don't hear the triple engine noise, and I do love that triple engine noise with the MT-09s. That noise, don't know if you could hear that at all, but that noise. That was an exact representation. That was an exact copy of that engine noise. Amazing. I wasn't really going to come out today because I kind of need to get my tyres done on the bike. And yes, I said that about a month ago. And where have I been this month? Where? No, not this month, but a whole month has gone by since I uploaded my last YouTube video. And that's because of one thing. This leg. And a little thing called sciatica. So it's not the nicest thing in the world. Stopped me really from walking properly. You know, I was hurting sitting down, hurting standing up, hurting doing anything, to be honest. And when they say the best thing to do when you got sciatica is move around and not sit down, it's difficult. It's difficult. But yeah, yeah, the doctors went to there. I haven't been to the doctors in, Christ, 15, 16 years. And being, you know, losing sleep for a week. I know not a week of sleep isn't too bad, but yeah, a week of properly not sleeping is not nice at all. Get ready. But yeah, so a leg is on the mend. It is on the mend. It's getting there. A bout of sciatica is supposed to last 4 to 8 weeks. I'm on 4 weeks 3 days, 2 days, sorry, 4 weeks 2 days I'm on. So maybe possibly another 4 weeks, but luckily I've been able to get back on the bike the last few days, which is awesome, which I haven't been able to do, and I've been missing it so much. And I forgot how much this bike can pull from like any gear, and having the stock exhaust makes it feel like a new bike. Really, really does. It's a 10th there. Oh, nice. Yeah, so that's kind of what I've been going through in the last month. So it hasn't been the best, to be honest, of months. I've had better, I can say. I've had better. As Jim Carrey would say in Liar Liar.
Is it good for you? I've had better.
But like I said, missed the bike terribly. Glad I'm back on it. I have changed a few other things on it. I've kind of changed some of the bits out because I was kind of putting it back to stock. Because in that month off, well, that month I didn't ride the bike, it was such a shame of, you know, the bike just sitting there. It was such a shame. And you have a lot of time to think when you're in the house all day. You have a lot of time on your hands and just thinking all about these different things. You know, your head kind of goes round and round and round, and you're like, oh, I could do this and do that and do this and that. And yeah, it's not always good to have just you on your mind sometimes. As it says, stupid things, you know. But I've changed two other things. I've taken the heated grips off, which that really was a choice of, I didn't really like them. They kept my hands warm, correct, but it could have been a lot better. Could have been a lot better. So in the future, if I do want to warm my hands up, I may get some heated gloves instead. But I've put some Renthal grips on. Quite nice, to be honest. They are quite nice, simple to fit. But the heated grips are not easy to get off. I think it may be because of the glue I used. Stupid Ben, stupid Ben. And I've put some new indicators on the back because I did hate those LEDs on the back. They just looked awful, properly awful they looked. Whoop. Whoop, through the middle. Whoop. There we go. Well, I'll show you those two little bits now. Yes, I am going to Toys R Us, because a lot of it now is obviously in the UK and the US. Toys R Us has gone down the pan pretty much, so it is a shame it has gone down the pan, and a load of other stores are like that as well. But yeah, so grips are back on. So these are Renthal grips, only like $8.99, pretty cheap, isn't they? And yeah, put these LEDs, no, not LEDs, they're bulbed actually, but these are starting to rust as well now, so I may get a new set of those. I may do, I'll see now. But yeah, stock exhaust back on for now. You know, I don't mind the noise. Could be better, but I don't mind the noise. But at the moment, the exhaust has got some like 30 miles on it, so then you still get the new smell. It smells like a new bike. But yeah, bikes look going good. Like I said, I hadn't been on it in a month. It was just fun to get back on it, you know, because I forgot how much the bike pulls, you know. I do love it. And I'd be ashamed to get rid of it, wouldn't I? But yeah, Toys R Us closing down. Boo. See if they got anything exciting left, because a lot of it now is like 40-odd%. So but thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope everybody is glad to see me back. I am going to try and put up more videos now as I'm back on the bike. I'll be getting a car soon as well, so maybe a couple of videos with those as well. But thank you very much for watching. Catch you soon, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.